Hey everyone, welcome back on Crypto Weekly Review or Weekly Crypto Review, episode 90. It's Sunday again. It's time for us to look at Bitcoin, to look at altcoins, to see what happened this week. I'll still do only an overview and some requests. I don't think it's ready yet for us to start the Road to Financial Freedom list. So I think we'll postpone until we'll have something, until we'll have some shots. We are still in the first part of the plan, but if you go on the statistics, we don't have free money now. We need some shots. We have a lot of orders to get filled. We have a lot of orders to the upside to get some shots. So we are well positioned. Doesn't matter if we'll go up or down. Just that we don't have more money to put orders. Simple as that. If you want to follow this plan, pretty easy. Go and put the orders and you'll be in a nice position. Now, I hope the audio and the video on YouTube it's clear. Catalin, if you want to give me a feedback to tell me if everything is nice and clear. I know the voice on the live streams, it's a bit lower than on the videos, but you have to adjust the volume. It's that simple. Okay, let's see Bitcoin on weekly chart. Well, not too many things happened this week. You can see we had 64, we had also 58. So we had a really nice up and down move. Nothing unusual. You can see we took the high here and I said, don't chase, wait for a retest. It's a normal retest here at the support level at 60K. That retest happened already. You can see we are bouncing, we are at 62. And to be honest, I saw a retracement earlier. We are short on 1 hour chart, but I think we can even close on the green here. I send a message to people in the premium part to get in a free position, either to close 50% at 1-to-1 or to move the stop at scratch, because I could see the market reversing in the end of the week at the candle body close here, at the candle close, sorry, and we can close even at 64. Maybe even more. I'm not saying that will happen, but if we have the opportunity to get in a free position, we should do that. Market is pretty volatile. You can see we have more than $4,000, $5,000 range in 1 week, which is not bad. Indicators here on weekly, you can see respecting the price action. RSI, it's still above 50 line, which is nice. We had some bullish divergence on OBV. That bullish divergence is confirmed, so don't get too bearish here. We are talking about weekly, so it'll take some time until something will confirm. Overall, if we take the swing high, swing low, and we draw a short reload zone from the entire range. Last week on Kappa 1 we learned about the fib retracement. You can see swing high, swing low, short reload zone here. We rejected from 61.8 last week. It's enough? I don't know. We'll see. I think we can push back in the short reload zone here, and if the market is strong enough, we can even take the old all-time high at 69. That's the next resistance level, and it's a pretty strong one. Our area of playing around, our range for the next week is 69 to 60. Okay? That's the playing ground for the next week. Pretty simple. Okay, so we are not even in the short reload zone. We are not in the long reload zone. Ugly location here for higher time frame players. If you are trading on weekly, nothing you can do here. If you are trading on daily, still nothing you can do. On 4-hour chart, well, it's getting interesting. But 4-hour chart is already swing trading. Below 4 hour, we are talking about traders who know what they are doing in the market. They are sharp, they are fast, and they are taking money out of the market. Okay, So weekly looks like you see it here. On daily, well, on daily you see some scenarios I have. Okay, we posted the AB equals D to the downside as a possible scenario. You can see it with white. Well, we'll accept below 60K, we'll go down, bounce, take it as a resistance here, and in the end of November, October, November, we should make a W and should push higher. It's a scenario. But this is the bearish one, relatively bearish, and this is the bullish one. I made this plan in a live stream. And the bullish one was the market will bounce from 60, will go here in this area, will retest. I don't know if exactly this 60K. Why? On higher time frame, this is the retest of 60K. So if we'll get another retest, well, that will be nice. I don't know if it will happen. And we should make a kind of a W here and push higher. We can think here like an inverse head and shoulder. Shoulder, head, and now we are forming the right shoulder. Let's see if that will happen. Overall, as long as we are above 60K, we are safe, and we should think 60, 69. That's our range. Nice and clear for us. Don't overcomplicate things. Don't look at influencer. Well, we'll go to the moon next week. We'll go to 10K. Don't think like that. Level by level is the best approach I could find. Yeah. So we have support at 60. We have resistance at 69. Let's play. Yeah. Okay. So that's on daily. Indicators on daily. Similar. You can see RSI above 50. Nothing special on OBV. So we are okay. As long as we hold this level, and we rejected pretty strong here, you can see. When I posted this one on Twitter, I even said, well, we can still hope the market had a fake out below 60 and we'll close the day above. And we had that. Really nice. I like that, that push up in the end of the day. And we recovered some ground from there. End of the week, you know me, I'll trade in the second part of Sunday. I already have a short, and if the market will give me my take profit, I'll hunt along here in this area above 60K. If something will happen, I'll try to hunt along idea there. So that's daily here. Again, not the best location. Okay? Not the best location on daily. 1 4-hour chart we can play around. I have another template here. I don't know, 4-hour chart. Let's see if I could see something different. Well, actually no. I think this one is the best one. Yeah. Well, if I talked about Bitcoin, you can see it on 4-hour chart. We have kind of an M here trying to form. Aiming out at least. Confirmed by indicators. Not bad. I could see the market pushing a bit lower. This is the trade on 1 hour I was talking about. I didn't post it on Twitter. I don't think it's the case to post 1 hour too often. But I posted on my $500 challenge. And I tagged everyone. So all VIP and premium members should see that trade, and they had enough time to take it. You can see that was my thinking. General setup, nothing special. Short reload zone, EM here. Breakdown retest, textbook trade. I have to take it. It's in my plan. The only downside for this trade, it's weekend. And usually the TA is not working as in the week. But you can see we stopped at first level of house. If we'll reach the second one, that's my thinking. Well, here I should hunt the first W. The better before the weekly close. So that's about Bitcoin. Let's go back on higher time frame on daily and weekly. And let's look a little bit at Ethereum. On Ethereum on weekly chart, nothing special. Yeah, we are holding this level. I could see a W forming here in next 2 weeks, next 3 weeks maybe. If Bitcoin will hold above 60K, Ethereum should recover a little bit of ground, and maybe we'll make a double here at 2,500. That's the best scenario possible. The next bullish scenario is to wait in the long reload zone for a double, or a W the other side of the trend line on daily chart. Now let's see daily chart. Well, on daily you can see we have a W, the other side of the trend line is there. So people who have on their plan LJ set up, you have the first W, the other side of the trend line. That's your trade. With LJ, you don't need long reload zone. You just need a W. You take the first W, the other side of the trend line. This is it. So let's paper trade it at least. If you are a swing trader or a position trader, you should take this trade on daily. And leave with the results. You can see even to test the highs here, the swing high, you'll have almost a 3-to-1. Yeah? It's up to you if you take it or not. But the trade is there. LJ, textbook one. Hey Andre, hey Sebastian, hey Catalin. Guys, if you have requests, keep them for the end of the live stream. So it'll be easier for me to see them in the chat. Okay? I'll take a look at any request you have. We have enough time. We are not reviewing the road to financial freedom, so have more than enough time for some requests. So prepare your request. If you have some favorite altcoins you want me to give you my 2 cents, I'll be more than happy to do that. Okay? Repost the tweet with the live stream if you want. That will help us a little bit. Yeah. This tweet I posted on Discord already. If you repost this one and you like and share with your friends, that will help us a little bit. More people will see it. From the people who will see the live stream, some will watch, and some of them they'll join our Discord, and some of them from that people will be people eager to learn and serious and consistent. A lot of if and a lot of maybe, but that's how we want to grow the community with good people. Let's go back on Ethereum here. So that's a trade idea. I don't know. This is at entry. I don't know if will be a successful or a stop loss. I don't know. I don't have an idea about that, and I don't care. I have in my plan the LJ. I should take the trade. Okay, so it's a bit different than Bitcoin here. You can see the daily W, which you don't see every day on Ethereum. So that's Ethereum. I don't think it's the case to go on 4 hour, but let's just see what we have. Well, on 4 hour chart, looks like if Bitcoin will go a bit lower, we can even get a better level for our entry. This candle, a bit lower. Anyway, if you are on daily, you should. That's our entry here. I don't see anything special on 4 hour chart, to be honest. Now back on weekly. Bitcoin dominance. On weekly, nothing special. Now you can see on weekly we are pushing higher. It's still strong, damn strong. Indicators are slowing down. That's a good sign. But price action wise, come on people, look at this one. Let's hide all the drawings. This is strong. I don't see weakness here in the structure of the market. Nothing else. Not indicators, nothing else. Just the price action. We can touch 60? Yeah. We can touch more? Yeah. On weekly, I need a clear EM, breakdown and retest. But in the same time, remember, we are talking about weekly chart. So, on daily, we have some chances. Now, let's put daily. And let's zoom a little bit. Well, on daily, we have something. We have weekly 3-bar fractal. You saw that. 3-bar fractal here, fired. Now, on daily, we had a bounce here in the short reload zone. And we had an EM. That EM needed a retest. You know how the market is usually going. EM, breakdown, retest, and continue down and again. So, now it's a decision point. Let's see what will happen next. If the market will accept and will do a lower low, then okay. If we'll accept below this low at 57, then that will confirm this big EM. Even better for altcoins. But for the moment, we are retesting this initial EM. What will happen, we should wait and see. Simple as that. Ethereum versus Bitcoin on weekly, no signs. Yeah? No signs of strength on weekly. Ugly. On daily, maybe with this W, maybe we can do something. But as I already told you on some live streams, I think the market is pushing here, retesting this EM will push lower. It's how I see it for the moment. So let's see what will happen here. It's as simple as that. I don't see strength. I don't see weekly W's. I see a small daily W here, but it's not enough for me. It's not enough. Okay, DXY on daily, nice bounce from 100 level as we should expect. I was seeing the market touching the long reload zone, but maybe later, not now. We bounced from this level. We are close to the next. Yeah? This was support, this is the resistance. Let's see what will happen here. Simple as that. Total market caps on daily chart. You can see we are trying to do a W on total. Total 2 has a W, clean one here. Yeah? And total 3, it's even stronger. Nice W here. I just want the market to accept above 617 and then accept above this one and make a new high and so on. But for the moment, it's kind of 50-50. Will go up or will go down. I don't have, an advantage looking at total 3 or total 2. As I mentioned multiple times in all the live streams I do, I tell you don't be too bearish on risk on, which means crypto in general. Crypto is risk on. Don't be too bearish on risk on when you see ES above the old all-time high and pushing higher. Yeah, I know a lot of so-called not trader, investors, influencers will tell you, well, the market will go. Maybe they have an interest in keeping you in fear. You thought about that? Maybe they just have an interest, or maybe some of them they are just stupid. I don't think they are stupid. I think they have an interest. Seeing the ES pushing higher and higher, and they are trying to keep you on the sidelines, are trying to make you sell. They sold. Yeah, you saw they sold in sell in May and walk away. They sold the stocks, what they wanted to sell. I cannot be bearish on the location we have on most of the altcoins. In 2024, at the end of the year, with ES making new highs. Come on. Something has to change for me to even think bearish here. It's impossible. Look at what we have in front of us. I know, yeah, ES is manipulated and they want the market strong, but the market is strong. I know they are manipulating the market in the election. We all know that. But so what? Every time they are manipulating the market. They have decades manipulating the market. We should say, well, I'm not participating because it's manipulated, or we should, why we are here? We are here to make money. So let's make some money. Don't be too bearish here. Well, AB equals CD pointing still higher. You can see the uptrend channel. I try to keep everything simple, guys. Stupid traders approach. Yeah? I don't want more than that. Higher highs, higher lows makes an uptrend channel. AB equals CD is in play. Any retest of this uptrend channel, it's a buying opportunity. You can see we made a new support here. Look at here. We fight at this level, we accept above. This is a support now. So we have another support above the all-time high. I think we'll stop here at the middle of the trend. Either we'll reject back down, either we'll accept exponentially in the election. We'll see. Slow and steady. But don't be too bearish. Seeing people, I saw even on Crypto Traders Arena, someone asked me, well, I have a short. Why you have a short? I don't get it. You have a short on altcoin. I'll not say the name, that Discord guys know. But you get the idea. Why you are shorting altcoins now? You are a scalper? No. If you're not a scalper, you should not have any business to short altcoins at the bottom. No? Yeah, that's my thinking. I see Andrei is saying something about a movie. Well, congrats, Andrei. If you have news about that, please post in the Romanian channel. More than happy to discuss that. Okay, now let's see. That's my thinking about ES. Next, what we can do next in this live stream. I think we should look at the news before we go on lower time frame. So this week, at least what I see on the trading economics calendar, pretty quiet. Should be okay to day trade, swing trade, whatever you want. Pretty safe. I don't see important news. Maybe I'm wrong and we'll have some news, I don't know, but at this point in time looks safe to trade. So that being said, let's go discuss about last chance challenge. Well, working away 73%. I said until the end of this month I'll add the rest of the coins. You still have 7 or 8 free places, but 73%, it's a damn good result. We are in the first part of the plan. We are trying to accumulate the dollar cost average, and the second part is it's easy. Put your hands under your ass and wait for when the plan says to sell some. Okay, now I'll go on this template where I use this list for swing trading, day trading. You can see the Bitcoin chart, you can see the Bitcoin trade. For the couple one people, I have a perfect example here of a short reload zone and a long reload zone. Yeah, I know you'll have problems in the practical part of the fibs. So you can see swing high, swing low, bounce in the short reload zone. That's our short reload zone. Here we have swing low, swing high, and retracement in the long reload zone. Perfect examples. I could even draw a trend line if you want, because we learned about trend lines. So I have a trend line here, a valid one. You can see it. We accepted. It's valid, well tested. Okay, so that is a trend line. Support and resistance you should see at 60k. Look at the levels. You can see another support and resistance at 62,500 here. Look how the market fighted. An example of moving average, well, that's easy. I don't think I need to show you. If you need, just text in the Kappa 1 chat. About Kappa 1. Some people ask me if they could join. It's too late. We are in the middle of the program. I don't think you can cover what you missed. We are in the week 6 or something like that. So no. What you can do, I made your offer in the channel, and I told you you will get free premium access until the program will start. You'll have the same price, but you have to pay until the end of the year. So you'll get the same price, which is nice, really nice, and you'll get free premium access until the program will start, which is really nice. So it doesn't matter if the program will start in January or February or March, doesn't matter. You'll have free premium access and you can learn from premium. I think it's a damn good offer. I think we can start in the beginning, but I made this offer just to be able to plan my next year. So I want to know how many people are interested, how many people want to do Couple 1, because I intend to do one program next year, not more than that, to focus more on trading. Who wants Couple 2 will probably do a similar offer in December or close to December. But I saw some people joining Couple 2 without knowing the process. I don't think it's a good idea. Do Couple 1 first, because without the process and the general stuff and the basic stuff, the more TA you do will not help you. So ask, just come on our Discord and ask people who did already Kappa 1 if they get any value. See the reviews we have about Kappa 1, about Kappa 2. You can see the review and go and ask the guy who made the review. It's simple as that. Until then, let's see what we have. Bitcoin here, I'm short, risk-free guys, Discord, premium members or general members who managed to take the trade. Please make it a risk-free. Risk-free means you got 50% at 1-to-1 or you moved your stop at scratch. We already have the retest of the M. We don't want the market to come back up here. Now, 4-hour chart I think is the best. Why I want to see 4-hour chart? Well, I want to see how the market is behaving. And I said last time, I want 4-hour daily Ws. Example here, I don't see a daily W. I don't see a 4-hour W on IEVO. It's going sideways. As much as I want to become more bullish on IEVO, I don't see it. It's possible on daily, if I go on daily, it's possible to form a W here. I don't like this big one, but hopefully we'll get a smaller one. Okay, so IEVO is usually a good example for the rest of the market. Let's see alt on 4-hour chart. Here we have some 4-hour Ws, but I don't love the location. It's ugly. And similar, I think it's going sideways for the moment. CRV still at entry. This is more stable than USDT or the US dollar. You can see it's better than the stable coins. Nothing we can do. We are at entry. Dimension. You can see here we can consider this one a W, but nah, it's too big, and you can see the wick is a bit below this one. Not a textbook W. What was a good W and where we took the trade? Remember this W. People who are following us had the chance to take this W at the breakout or at the retest here, and we made nice money. We should wait for a similar structure here. We have the best location here. Well, no. Why? Look at these yams. For the moment, all we did here, we retested that level. So for me to even think long on dimension here on 4-hour chart, daily chart, I need a W the other side of this trend line. And it's a damn strong trend line which formed the top here. You can see the yam from the top. Kappa 1 people, you are learning trend lines. How we draw trend lines on Crypto Traders Arena. How we teach you. You take the yam week to week and we'll validate. First sign of validation of the trend line is when the market is accepting below the neckline. So here we fight it, here we accepted. This is a valid trend line. W the other side should get us a trade. That's you'll learn later. So not even here, I don't want to take this trade here. I don't think it's the best one. E-gold. Well, you can see E-gold has a big W. Let's look at daily. Sorry to tell you, but E-gold looks a bit better. Why? Well, I have a long reload zone here. Swing low, swing high, Kappa 1. Long reload zone. We had a W which produced a 1-to-1 and got back down. We fight it 78.6 and we accepted back above. We have a daily W here. So I don't see why not. We should not go on even on lower time frame if you want, but even daily. I could see E-gold performing from this level. What? It's this level. Candle body highs, neckline of the W. I could see that on E-gold. Depends on what market will do, but you can see. Coincidence, we have approximately a 2-to-1 from this W to the testing of the highs. Just a coincidence. Okay? So I could see this looks a bit different. We have the daily W. FET. I don't like the location. We discussed that. I'll be patient and I'll wait for FET to come back in the long reload zone. I know a lot of you will say, well, when the fuck will go there? Doesn't matter. I don't have an advantage to take the trade here or to do something here. Yeah? So that's my thinking here. This one, we had a nice trade here. Remember about this one. We took this trade, we made some nice money. You can see it's aiming out. I had a trade here on lower time frame. I think 4 hour chart, on 1 hour chart. I don't know if I still have the ink. No, I don't. I took this W, I tried to do something on lower time frame and got punished. Not a big deal, next boss. But we still have 25% from this one. You should have. Now, to take the trade in the middle of nowhere here, I don't think is the best approach. I think the best approach will be to wait for a W lower. So, Pixel on daily. Yeah? Look at the location overall on Pixel. If you are an investor, you should be stupid not to dollar cost average here. Come on, look at it. You should start something on if you like this one. But if you are a trader, well, then let's see. Let's put the low. Which one is higher? Well, unfortunately, this is the high. And you can see here, we are trying to make some W's. Huh? Look at what happened here. See what happened? Took the stop loss and is pushing back up. Similar here. I don't have allocation, no trade here. Wait lower. Manta. At least we are on 4 hour chart, we are the other side of the trend line. No W in the long reload zone, but we have an LJ, a possible LJ there. Let's look. Yeah. W the other side. Or we can go back down and retest that trend line. Who knows? Solana. It's like a stable coin. Up and down, up and down. Meme coins are pumping. Solana is stable. Well, it's what we have. Hey, Bukur. Nice to see you. Ton, you know me. I will not touch this one. Lower I want here in this long reload zone. Doji. You know I don't trade this one. I could see a double here. Breakout retest here. But I prefer just to invest. It's a shit coin. Doge. Not the best location. I'll wait. Patiently wait for a better setup. Saga, you remember? I said I see a megaphone. And you can see what's happening here. Nope. Tao. Everyone is bullish on Tao now. I'm not saying it's not bullish, but look here. Some bearish divergence. We tested and we rejected from the highs. I don't recommend to short it. This pattern is not bearish. Trust me. This is not bearish. This could push a lot higher. So either, I said multiple times, either you are sharp like Stefan, either you stay out. Don't short this one. It's better than to short. It's better to wait in the long reload zone. Why not? Everyone should have some Tao. We posted when the time was right here. Below $300. Even at $200 we discussed this one briefly here with Stefan, and we said, well, it's not a bad place to buy. We had the retest. That was the perfect buy here. Well, Capo One people, if you watch this one, you should pay attention. Look at the example. I asked you for some examples. And honestly, I didn't saw enough. Let me show you something. Okay, so we have swing low, swing high, retracement, where we should get interested to buy this one again. Chasing here? No. We should wait in the long reload zone. Let's put a template. There you go. Long reload zone, 61.8 W. And up we go. Textbook one. And we even had some bullish divergence on 4 hour chart. So, Capo One people, that's how you draw a long reload zone. Swing high, swing low, swing high. Retracement here. Okay. I don't want to make this live stream about Capo One. But every time I have the chance, I'll try to explain once more for the public, not only for Capo One, how you should do the TA. I don't think anyone from this live stream will be bothered by me showing people what a long reload zone is, or how to draw a trend line, or how a textbook EM or W looks. If you don't like it, please type in the chat. Or hit the dislike on this live stream 2 times, please. So I'll know that you don't like it. Okay. Tia, the last one. Huh? W, big W here. Okay, it's W, but it's too big and it's not in the long reload zone. I'll take this one. Let's see daily. That will tell me better. Well, on daily, looking, let's do a zoom out version. Well, let's close the ink because sometimes it's... Well, look at Tia on daily. You see something you like? You see, somehow you see a daily W? What happened when you saw last time a daily W? Let me give you some examples. You are with me, guys? You are still here or you left the live stream? Look, last W. Breakout retest, nice result. Let's look back even further. Look at this W. Not the best one. Look at this one. Look at the result. This time will be different? I don't know. I see a daily W. And we have bullish divergence. Well, even from here, look at this one. Even from July, we have bullish divergence. Look at RSI. Low, higher, low. Look at MACD. Low, higher, low. Low, higher, low. Low, lower, low. So the indicators are telling us from a long time ago that the market is a bit stronger than it seems. Yeah. So I see a daily W in a good location. I don't think anyone should doubt about if this location is good. Let's just hide the ink. I activated. You can see we are below 78.6 and above 88.6. So we have location on daily. We have location. We have bullish divergence. We have a daily W. Go. Take it. It's at entry. If you are a swing trader, a high time frame trader, that's your entry here. 5.7 or wait for a retracement on 5.4. But the W is there, confirmed already. It's preparing for a retest. What we did on Crypto Traders Arena, because we are sharp and we are traders and we are here, I took this initial W and we are in profit. And I even managed to do a trade here, lower time frame. I don't know. I don't remember honestly if I post this one. I think not. But you can see why I took this trade here. I front run a little bit here, but look at trend line, W the other side of the trend line. Pretty basic for me. Okay, guys. That's my short list. Not the best one. I usually remove some. I add something else. I have another list, the complete one from Binance. And if you want to take a look at weekly, everything looks kind of similar. Let's just get through some of them. Good location here. Damn good location on 1 inch. So we should pay attention. This one is too high. Look at this one. Damn good location, waiting for weekly W's. So altcoins, they are looking interesting. Look at this one. Damn good location. Bottom of the range. W on ACM on weekly basis. So a lot of altcoins. Look at this W. ADX. I don't know what the fuck this does, but look at the last time when we had a W. You have the weekly W there. It's there. So if you are an investor, you know what to do. Inverse head and shoulder here at the bottom. This one, it's... a lot of them, they are looking similar. Good location. Some of them, they have weekly W's and they are trying to explode. Here you should wait for a weekly W. Look what happened last time when we had a weekly W. Damn nice result. But we should be patient. Wait for a weekly W. And I could go on and on the entire list. 90%, 85, 90% of them, they are looking similar in a damn good location. And people are not interested in investing in altcoins. I saw that happening before the exponential part in the last bull cycle. Same drill. Nobody wants to buy altcoins. But when the market pumped and the market was 10 times higher, all my friends are asking me where I should buy. And from 20 people, only one listened to me and bought stuff like e-gold below $10 and things like that. That's how the market works. Sorry, guys. So I don't think it's the point for us to go on the entire list. I don't see the point to do that. You can do it by yourself. Set the chart on weekly basis, put here MACD, RSI and an OBV, and you'll see what's happening here. Take the list and play around. If we have any requests, guys, if I see any requests, please type in the chat and we'll take a look. I prefer higher time frame, but because I showed you even 4-hour chart, I'll go even on 4-hour if I'll see the opportunity to show you something. Because we are not reviewing the road to financial freedom, I think we have time to even go as deep as swing trading for some potential ideas. But remember, people, I'm just a guy on the internet, with a stupid trader approach, not a financial advisor. You should not copy my trades or my ideas. It's your responsibility, and until you'll get responsible for your trades, you'll not be a successful trader. I talked about, until I'll see some requests, we talked about a guy who said, well, I'm short here. His thinking wasn't bad here on daily, but he didn't have enough reasons to short in this environment. He shorted SUI somewhere in here. And he asked me, well, what I should do if we'll go higher. Well, it's strong. You can see, I don't see weakness here in the price action. Yeah, I could see something on indicators, but price action is strong. Who tells me that this is not a real breakout? Or even if it's a fake out, will not go to $3. So guys, if you are not day traders, if you are not sharp shooters, don't short the market. Even try to play only spot, long and spot. That's the best approach. Well, you joined Capua 1. You stayed with me 4 months. You learned everything you need. You played $100 challenge for a couple of months. You managed to double your money over and over again. Because I'll tell you what, you'll do $100 challenge, you'll get to 200, you'll start over from 100 and so on. After you repeat that process a couple of times, well, I could say, well, okay, you are good enough to short the market. You are good enough to use leverage. But until then, why the fuck you are trying to use leverage and short the market? And I give an example in Discord in the chat. If you have an account, access to an account and some money there and access to leverage, that makes you a trader? If I have a white coat and a stethoscope at my neck, I'm a doctor? Same. You are just a victim. And that guy said, well, everything goes against me. Well, no, your mentality is against you because you will see the shorts where you should see longs, where you should stay out. Well, please don't do that. And when you are in a loss and you see that you cannot control the situation, you don't have any control, close everything, take a break at least 1 week. That will show you if you are a gambler or you are a trader. If you cannot stay out of the market at least 1 week, that's not healthy. You are an addict. You are not a trader. Yeah? Sorry, but that's the reality, guys. If you are not able to stay completely out for 1 entire week out of the market, not even to look at the market, you are like a drug addict. You are addict to the market to have a position on and to feel the rush having a position on. Is the same, is nothing different with tobacco, nicotine, heroin, and everything else. It's the same stuff. It's just your body is producing the substance. It's not that simple. Okay, let's not get in a rant here. I want to see some requests, guys. So if I'll see requests in next 5 minutes, I'll look at them. If not, well, I could call it a live stream. I already talked for 45 minutes. We did an overview. We looked at my list. WIF? Why not? What time frame do you want? Let's take a look at WIF. Well, we have it on Binance on spot, so why not? Well, on weekly basis, you can see the volume is picking up. You had the weekly W here in a good location. Keep in mind, I'm not looking at WIF from the entire chart when it was on DEX, one was at the beginning. I'm looking from when it was listed on Binance and had real volume. Well, let's take a long reload zone, and you can see here. Now, let's take an altcoin long reload zone. You know it's a bit different. Brian, Beamish, and we love to say that on altcoins we should use 78.6 to 88.6 as a long reload zone. Now, I learned that from him. Go and watch the guy on YouTube, watch on Twitter, you'll find him on the Rational Investor. Okay, so we had the weekly W here. To chase here, I don't think is the case. I don't like that. I just don't like that. On weekly basis, same. You can see the big M. This is a valid trend line. Where the other side give me a weekly W. But in general, I don't think it's the case to chase this one. It's strong indeed. But in the same time, you can see long reload zone, it's back at the same level. So if you think this one will do nice things, and I think you do, well, candle body highs for trade location. This candle needs a retest, even if you are playing with ICT concepts, fair value gaps and so on. Okay, but weekly W breakout and retest. I think 1.9, it's a good level to start paying attention. And if you are an investor, you should put some limit orders from $2 below, cascade the orders lower here in the long reload zone. If you are a trader, well, I think you can go on daily. You can see the market is stepping up. It's not over yet. I don't see M's, so it could push higher, but you'll adjust your long reload zone. So if you are a trader on daily, you should wait for a double here, below $2. A retest here, 61.8, and another W will be even better. Okay, you had the W's here. You had nice location. You had the W's in September. W breakout retest. That was the trade. Now it's too late. Colin. My thinking is it's don't chase environment. Now, some people will say, well, this one is really strong and will do great things and will never reach, at least not for the moment, the long reload zone. I'm okay with that. But let's use pump chaser zone. Show me a W here. And I'm okay with giving it a chance as a trader. W here, okay, I'll take a chance. For the moment, I don't see an opportunity here. Let's wait for the market to finish pumping and then to retrace. That's my thinking about that one, Colin. Okay. Don't if you are long already, well, take some profit off. Keep some of the trade, because you can see here we have some resistance. Some people will say, "Get me the fuck out here," and that will push the market back down. But overall, we'll push higher at some point in time. So if you are long from these levels, close partially the position, keep the rest for a kind of a moon bag. You're more than welcome, Colin. Now, let's look at the other one. I don't know. I'll just put the ticker and see what we get. EMW. I think this one, I see two of them. Okay. If this is the entire history, don't touch this one. Don't touch it. Why? People from our community will tell you what I think about new coins. What is new and shiny? Everything is nice and clean. The team and the smart money who invested down here are selling and are telling you to buy. And it's not shiny anymore. You can already see a daily, yeah? And will probably go back at least in the long relow zone. At least here. If not, maybe even can lose the lows. It's almost impossible to lose the lows. Look where they started. Anyway, I see the M here. Until I'll see W's, no. It's that simple, iToy. It's that simple. Don't chase. If you manage to invest here, take some profit here. Don't wait to take to panic sell here at the bottom again, where you should think long. Idea for you, wait in the long reload zone for a double. But I prefer look at this red candle, the last one here. That's our area. If you want to outsmart, to be sharp, I think that's the area you should pay attention. Okay? This is the area, the sharpshooter area. Here we'll have a bounce probably. If that's the bottom, I don't know. We can even lose the lows, but it's close to zero, so. Dalmud is saying that unvaxxed sperm on Solana is pumping. Yeah, yeah, that's nice. That's nice, Dalmud. And you said about unvaxxed sperm from months ago, months and months ago, when it was forming the bottom. Nice to see that is pumping. Nice to see that is pumping. Well, someone says about can. Let's see what can is. Can and what? Because I could see a lot of cans. Oh, you want stocks? Okay, let's look at stocks. I think this one, because it was on Nasdaq. We are doing stocks now, Richard. You don't like crypto anymore? Well, Richard, if I remember correctly, you said about my volume on the live streams. It's at OBS, it's at max. You have to adjust. That's the live stream. We all probably could do some things playing around with OBS, but I prefer not to do that. Okay, let's look at weekly. Let's see what we have. Well, definitely have location. We broke the structure here, you have location. That's clear. A bullish divergence trying to forming here. Not bad. Sorry. Even here you have bullish divergence trying to form. You can see low, higher. Some signs of strength here at the bottom. Not bad. On weekly, you even had a kind of weekly double if you consider this one. Well, I don't know. I think the best approach here, I'll be honest. The best approach. What is the best approach? That's the best approach. I'll show you in 1 minute. Just bear with me a little bit. That's a range, clear one. Well respected the middle of the range. So playing around here, it's possible. 70 cents, 1.4 almost. This one will become bullish again when we'll do something like this, Richard. Okay, here or this W could be lower below the lows here. I don't know where, but will become bullish when you'll see something like this. Clear breakout from the range and retest, and then you'll be able to hunt. Until then, it's just a range. If you manage to buy the bottom of the range, sell half on a double and accumulate free coins with little old lady, yeah, okay, you can do that, but nothing more. We'll become bullish again when we'll do a clear breakout from that range. The longer the channel, the bigger the bounce, the bigger the bull run, you know that, no? But for the moment, we are accumulating here. We can have the situation, we'll accept below, we'll get delisted, and well, you know what happens. I don't know what will happen, but usually Nasdaq doesn't like below $1, no? if I remember correctly. So they have to do something. Doesn't like to have the stocks below $1. I'm right or I'm wrong? I'm not by nature, I'm not a stock trader, so we have gladiators. We have Nathaniel could tell you more about stocks. So if you want, just go and post the request on general chat or in premium chat and tag Nathaniel. He could tell you more about that. I know the basic things, learn from Brian, but nothing more than that. I don't trade stocks. I don't invest for the moment. Well, that was my 2 cents about CAN. Well, if it's Chinese, it's Chinese, you know. It's just Chinese. Just leave it alone. Okay. Popcat on daily, Gregor? Why not? Guys, Gregor, if you are here on premium at the right time, you got the bottom on Popcat. I think you didn't, you're not premium with us. Or you didn't pay attention. Popcat. Popcat. Well, let's do something else. What the fuck I did here? Dex screener. There you go. Come on. Very fucking fine, man. Objects. Where the fuck is Popcat? I have to go on the entire list. Come on. And I saw the Popcat there. Yeah. Where is Popcat? Well, I'm getting old, guys. I'm getting old. Well, more time for you to ask about other coins. Fuck it. Popcat. Liquidity 2 million. This is the one. Okay, let's see if this is the one. Popcat. Daily. No, it's not this one. It's not the correct one. It's just not. Okay, already. Maybe this one. There you go. There you go, guys. Let's see. Well, I have something here, guys. It wasn't my idea. Yeah, wasn't my idea. Was if I remember correctly, Kevin was the guy who showed us Popcat. So shout out to Kevin for this idea. But you want to see something interesting? That was our entry at 1 cent, 1.1 cents, Gregor. We don't want to brag, we just show you what we did at that point in time. Okay. And now, looking back, you want to see that trade, what risk to reward has? Let's see. Just imagine that it's 126 at the market. At the high was 141. In case you hold that position as long as possible. I don't think anyone still has the entire position. I still have a small amount. Just a moon bag, just leave it there. To do TA here, Gregor, at the all-time high, to tell you to do buy, it's impossible. Could go higher, could go to $10 from my side. I don't fucking care. It's impossible for me to buy something to chase something all the way up. But what we can do, we can think something like this. You can see, look left. You can see here the long reload zone on daily. Go back down, 78.6. Look at this week. Yeah, I will probably get retested and a double here. You can get a new trade. If you are already long, take some profit off, keep on moving back. You know the drill. Well, that's even more than good, Gregor. More than nice. Yeah, we discussed this one. If I remember correctly, even Kevin was even talking in his live streams when he made the live streams on Crypto Traders Now. He was talking about this one. Huh? Really nice call. Really nice. I think Kevin still has PopCat a little bit. He's never selling everything. He's selling half on a double like you. But don't chase. If you are on the sell half on a double kind of plan, you know what you should do. It's nothing unclear for you. Sell half on another double. And reload in the long reload zone. I think that week is telling a story, Gregor. I think that week is telling us a story. This one here. Yeah? 25 cents in that area, if you'll see the market dropping there. Even SFU in this one, look left. Putting a limit order there is not a bad idea. But in the end, just remember, it's just a shit coin with a cat with an open mouth. Nothing more than that. People are buying until nobody's left to buy. And then they'll sell. So selling half on a double is a damn good strategy, Gregor. Okay, I don't see any other requests. Thank you, Richard. I saw you posted the contract address. I managed to find it out with the name. Oh, well, everyone sold most of it. Don't think I have 50%. How kind of 10% there? Don't think I sold all in the highs here. But this was a nice one. We had another one, Solzilla, if you remember. Well, that one did 100x and then retraced all the way back. So, will probably happen with PopCat at some point in time. But that one was faster. Well, more than welcome, Gregor. That's why I'm here, to take the requests, to try to help our community. If you want to ask something, ask it here in general chat. If you are a premium member, you can use the premium chat. Yeah, of course, the premium members, they'll have priority. Of course, I'll answer first to the VIP guys and then premium and so on. They are paying some money. But you'll get your answer even if you are just a general member. If you are only an investor, you don't need premium. I'm not here to shield you premium. If you are only an investor on weekly basis, and it's enough to use the road to financial freedom and to sell half on a double or dollar cost average and only look at daily and weekly charts. You don't need premium. So stay on the general part. If you are active, you are a valuable member to us. Yeah. Okay, guys. I talked for an hour. I'll talk more if it's necessary. If I'll see more requests, why not? I still see more than 20 people here in the live stream. So, guys, if you have requests, I'll look at them. Sometimes one of your requests could be my idea or my idea. I could take that idea and I could trade it myself. Why not? Most of you are smarter than me in crypto. That's for sure. Okay. Now, until then, let's look at Bitcoin on a lower time frame. Let's keep this idea open until I'll see more requests. RRR USDT. Oh, okay. Why not, Dalmode? I trust your trades. So USDT Gate.io. Which one? Or CoinEx? You said USDT, so Gate.io. Has a lot of room. Yeah. I don't know what tokenomics look on this one. Probably bad. Probably, I don't know. It's the first time I'm looking on this one, on this template at least. Dalmudi already knows what I'll say. 88.6, damn good location. Weekly W already. This is a weekly W, breakout and retest. The retest is a bit deeper, but if you want to buy this one, it's buyable. So when Dalmudi is posting something, I'm looking why he's asking me to look at something. Not because he needs my 2 cents. He's too sharp for that, but he probably wants to give us an idea. So you can see here we have the weekly W. Let's put the line chart. Now you can see it better. Yeah? And we are retesting. So I think it's not a bad idea to dollar cost average, even take this W and leave with the results or whatever you want to do. In April, we had a nice pump. And we'll probably consolidate maybe more or maybe less, and we'll retest at least candle body highs for taking profit here. But you have more than 3 to 1, even if you take the trade here. If you take the trade here and risking to the lows, you have more than 3 to 1. So this will be our entry. Let's put the all-time low, and let's put the take profit at the candle body highs. Yeah, I did it backwards. Come on. Let's put a long one. Okay, let's see. There you go. 6.7. And I didn't put the stop loss at the weekly W. I put it at the all-time low. If I'll put it here, well, then it's 11 to 1. You get the idea. The opportunity is there. It's up to you if you take it or you can see it or not. Thank you, Dalmudi, for the idea. Not bad. Not bad, you just have to go on Coinex, you have to go on Gate.io just to pick it up. Because we are talking about spot here, not leverage, not anything else. We are talking about weekly chart. Let's see daily how it looks. Well, daily looks like a range, long reload zone here, almost getting there. So you want to be sharp, well, you can see 61.8 here. Indicators. Well, we had indicators, they are not looking bad, but if you want to trade this one as a swing trader, you should wait in the long reload zone here. See what happens. Okay, guys. You are good? I hope you are good, Sebastian. I don't get it, what you said. Nice W and GME. Well, let's take a look. GME on stocks. I think you're talking about GameStop. A lot of people start trading and joining the trading community with GameStop, including Stefan. You should ask him his experience. He bought the motherfucker top, like a lot of us. But I don't see the W here on weekly. You are talking about the GME, the crypto? Well, Coinex, Bybit, Poloniex, Maxi, Coinex. I think we have experience. Well, yeah. If you are talking about the crypto, yeah, you have a weekly W trying to form. It's trying to form here. It's trying to form, Richard. Trying to form. Why I'm saying that? Well, I don't know if you like what I'll say, but I think this is a range. And okay, we can play around for a longer period of time. Look left here. Yeah? That will be a resistance. Well, let's look at daily. Why not? There you go. Middle of the range. You can see well respected middle of the range taking this W. Well, this W it's in a long reload zone or it's above long reload zone, Richard. Let's find out. Well, damn it. It's just a bit above. No, thank you. You want to see where the trade was? On 4-hour chart was the trade, Richard. I don't know if you are sharp enough to see it. But this was the trade. That was your trade if you are sharp enough. But it's already played out, sorry. 2 to 1. You can see. 3 to 1. Almost. There you go. That was the trade. Long reload zone, W, breakout, retest. You can take the smaller one, that was a bit riskier. So on daily. Okay. That was the trade. Now, no. Why not? I'm not thinking it's a good idea here. Well, let me show you something different. Couple one people, short reload zone. Watch out. We are getting in the short reload zone in the next pump. Even on daily, you have the W here. You have the small W, the perfect daily W. You have it here, Richard. Breakout and retest. That was the trade. Look left. You had similar before the pump. Well, if you still have it, well, hope that will do the same scenario I talked about earlier. Breaking out from the range and retesting the range. And then you know it's bullish again. But in the meantime, play the range game and get free coins. It's not a bad strategy. So keep doing what you are doing, Richard. If it works, don't change it. Don't break it. Okay. Okay. So that was it from my part, guys. We did some requests. Next time, maybe you want to have more. I don't see more requests, so let's just call it a live stream. Share this live stream with your friends if you think will give you some value. Hit the like, hit the subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet. You cannot comment in the chat if you're not a subscriber, so I hope I got you a bit of value, or at least a good opinion about the market. Remember, I'm just a guy in the internet, a stupid trader who's telling you what he sees on the market and what he's doing with his own money. Not here to brag, not here to be an influencer. You can see we don't promote too aggressively. We actually don't promote too much. I don't want bad behavior in our community. I want honest people, consistent people that could bring some value to us and us to them. We are not here to get to 100,000 members on Discord or on Twitter. We are a strong community helping each other. That's all that matters. Clean, without stupid things. If you'll behave ugly, you're out. I think that's the best value. Growing consistently with quality people is the best approach for us. And you know me, a lot of you know me in the bear market when all the communities are disappearing, destroying itself, or call it, well, it's not possible, we don't have anything to do. Crypto Traders Arena was growing step by step, member by member, and we are keep doing that. I didn't make this community to take your fees, to shield you some referrals and take your money. I made this community to be a win-win situation. I'm not saying that I'll do everything for free. No. But I only want win-win situations. That's why you don't see referrals. That's why you don't see shilling. That's why you don't see shilling any project and anything like that. The only referral we have is our own referral, which will give you 10% from the new subscriber. If it's your friend, and we prefer to bring your friends, you can say, Paul, give him 10% off because he's my referral. That's the perfect scenario for me. You saw that I kick out all the influencers, all the shillers and people like that. I prefer people like Richard, like Sebastian, like Michael, like Grim, like Dalmoody. People, consistent people who are trying to bring some value and try to help and get some help if they need. It's that simple. I know it's not what you are used to it in crypto. In crypto, it's a fight for followers. It's a fight for who's getting rich faster. I don't want to get rich faster. I want to get rich slowly. So when I'll get enough, to understand that it's enough and to be able to control the wealth. I hope you think the same. Halving next month, Zach. Well, Zach has a specific quality, if I remember correctly, no? Privacy layer, no? Or I'm wrong about that. I'm right? Zach has a privacy layer. Zoc and XX. Dalmudi, you should know if Zach has a privacy layer or not. I think it has. At the bottom, well, I could see on KuCoin what I have is the same price, guys. Yeah, if it's in privacy, you know what the big money and the 1% think about privacy coins. They want to step on their heads and destroy them with all their power. If you are here to get some Zach, just to get that free sentiment that you maybe can send something without everyone knowing, yeah. If you are here to buy this one to make a profit, it's possible, but keep in mind that the big guys want to destroy privacy coins. Yeah, I know, I was suspecting that. So Dalmudi is confirming what I was suspecting, that it's a privacy. So they all try to destroy that anything with privacy in them. You saw Monero is not listed anymore anywhere. You saw what happened with Torn App Cash, Torn Cash, or how the fuck is called. The founder was in that situation. They are trying to destroy. It's clear. They don't want people to be able to privately send money. Not to protect us, not to anything. They just don't want. The reason you should understand it. We have an LJ there. You can see it pretty well. We have a long consolidation. It's the halvening already priced in. I don't know. It's a good level to buy some. Yeah, I think so. You have weekly W's all over the place. You have the weekly W here. Yeah. So you have a trade on higher time frame. So definitely good location to invest. Definitely a good trade here to take this weekly W and leave with the results. Yeah. So you have location, you have everything you need. How much will pump? I don't know. If will pump and will not get delisted everywhere, I don't know that. But damn good coin, technically looks really, really well, ready to explode. Just keep in mind the fact that it's a privacy coin and they want to destroy them. Yeah, Dalmudi, I'm on the same opinion. Looks damn nice. Make up a print screen. Don't mind it's Zcash. Just think about, well, it's just a coin. When you see an altcoin looking like this, just go and buy it. No? That's the textbook investor chart. Well, this I want to see. Up, down, the other side of the trend line, weekly W's, breakout and retest. That's textbook. That's the Brad of Kevin approach. Yeah, he likes this kind of approach. Dalmudi likes weekly W's. Brian, if you show him this chart, he'll say, well, look at it, look how nice it is. And you can go and do that, Zonix. Brian will do a live stream in 1 hour, I think. So you can show him and ask him opinion about this one. Looks really nice. Weekly W, breakout retest, I like it. You even have some daily W's here, probably. But just keeping back in your head that it's a privacy coin. If you manage to get in a free position, then you don't mind. You don't care anymore. It's free, but be damn sure you sell half on a double. And you kind of have. Look at here. What had $50 and you reach 30 something? You have a double here. Rest is up to you. Well, guys, it's okay. I'll take. I don't like to let people with requests in the chat. So Richard is the last one, guys. I'll look at weekly on a stock, and that's the last one. Zek is looking really nice. Zoc, and x6. Really nice, just keep in mind. Yeah, the damn textbook one. I love it. Now let's look at CBIT stock. Yeah, why not? I think this one. Well, mining. Well, this one is exactly, Richard, this one is exactly like a shitcoin. Exactly like a shitcoin. Not any difference. Just a shitcoin. Good location. I could see here a range, attempt to break the range. So I could see the range not this high. I could take the low and I take the, just bear with me a little bit. You can see how well respected the middle of the range. We had a fake out back in the range. You want a clearer break, but if you can make buy the bottom and sell the top of the range and make some doubles, I think it's possible. 3 cents to 15 cents. Well, you have room there to play around the range game. A little old lady, first double. Huh? I don't have Willy on my templates, Richard, but you get the idea. Yeah, you get the idea. OBV is looking nice, everything is nice and clear. If you manage to buy the long reload zone for a double, sell half on a double, anything that you can do here in this area. Why not? Damn good location. Keep in back in your mind, check that could go belly up. Like any shitcoin, that's why I said it's like a shitcoin. Could go belly up in no time. So don't sell your house to buy this one. Here we have CBIT. You have the long reload zone on CBIT, or how you can spell it. I don't see the daily W. Wait for the daily W, 78.6, exactly like on any other shitcoin. You can buy it. That's the last one. Yeah? Wait for a. I prefer general setup here, Richard. You know what general setup means, yeah? Okay. That being said, guys, let's call it a live stream. Yeah, let's call it a live stream. No, general setup means 3-step setup, kind of 3-step setups from TRI. Kind of. We have a bit different rules, more wiggle room. That it's about it from my part. More than 40 minutes, 50 minutes. No, actually, yeah. More than enough for one single guy. I cannot stay more than 1 hour here. Well, actually have 1 hour and 20 minutes. Oh, too much. That's why I'm tired. Guys, I prefer to answer all the requests. I prefer to do a good job every time. I'm not an influencer. Remember that. I'm not an influencer. You'll not hear me talking like an influencer. I'm just trying to do a good job with my tools here. I'm live streaming from my computer, from my desk, without special tools, just OBS, a free OBS, and a YouTube account with a acceptable microphone, and that's about it. Yeah, I'm a trader, so bear with me when you see that maybe the quality of the video is not the best one. I'm learning to do these things. But I'm hoping that I'm compensating with good quality TA, basic ones, maybe some good advices. Okay, if you want to participate in our Discord, feel free to join. If you are not already, the rest is up to you. You'll have a folder there or a channel, start here. That will explain what you can do on our Discord. Yeah, that's about it. Let's call it a live stream, and see you tomorrow morning, guys, in Discord. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye bye.